Well, moving on to how the markets fared. Now, it was a rather tumultuous week for the Indian markets with all the polling activity coming to an end. Nifty managed to come back to the pre-exit poll levels, ending this week above the 23,200 levels. It marks Nifty's biggest weekly gain in the last 6 months. All sectors touched a record high over the week, with IT emerging as a top sectoral gainer. PSU banking stocks snapped a 3-week gaining streak this time round. My colleague Anj Bhelwar is joining us with the highlights of this week.
Well, it was the most volatile market for the week in terms of absolute points. We started the week on a positive front on the back of that exit poll, but then market turned negative on Tuesday on the back of actual election results. And since then, since Wednesday, we started rebounding and recovered that election day losses. Now, it was talk about Nifty, then index has registered its biggest single weekly gain in almost 6 months, touching record high level as well for the week. Whereas if we talk about Nifty Bank, the index has recovered only about 70 to 75% of that election day fall, indicating a bit of pressure in the index. Let's talk about sector indices, and here we are seeing that almost all sectoral indices touched record high level for the week, with Nifty IT being the top sector gainer, which also registered its biggest single weekly gain in over 3 years, which was up by around 8% for the week. Nifty FMCG too registered its biggest single weekly gain in over 4 years. Let's talk about sector losers. So Nifty PSU Bank was the top sector loser, which also snapped 3 gaining streak. So overall, it was a volatile market, but we ended on a positive note.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.